say you got a pass, but I'm knowing life is fast. Everybody's got their path, need you to meet me where I'm at. Can't see me through these tents, I bet they asking who is that.
What do you think? I wasn't quite sure if I was going to upgrade to the LCI style, but my taillights are in pretty rough condition, and I do think these look a lot better. They're much more vivid. It's kind of hard to tell the colors on camera, but this is all yellow, and then this is all red LED. So I think they look really good. They're super sharp, bit more modern, just an updated look to the rear end of the car, and they fit really well. So there's quite a few companies that sell these, and some of them are like $800, some are $600. You can get like the black line ones, the all red ones, you can get the OEM ones. I think the OEM ones are like $1,300 or $1,400, and then you need to get like a harness to make them work with the pre-LCI E92s. But I had a friend of mine who has an E92 M3, and he bought his on eBay, and he's like, dude, they're actually really good. Quality's completely fine, and they were only $380, I want to say. I took a shot in the dark and I ordered those, and actually they're good. They're solid. I feel like a lot of the aftermarket companies all probably come from the same place, Taiwan, but these fit well and they look really good, and that's really all you can ask for. So you could definitely pay the premium and go with the OEM ones, but I don't really think that's necessary. These look super sick. I wish you guys could see the actual colors on camera, but everything just looks yellow and orange on camera. This is all very deep red, and then this is just yellow up top. It's got a really good look to it. Definitely an OEM-ish look, but yeah, I'm feeling it, man. My old ones had cracks pretty much all over them. These just look a lot better, much more updated, super easy to install. They come with a harness and everything, plug and play. Obviously, I did a little bit of coating for the LEDs, and then I will eventually swap this out for an LED bulb as well, just so it's a bit more vivid. But I'm super happy with this. I think this looks really good. At first, I was like, nah, I don't need to update them, but now that I actually did it, I'm glad I did. I think they look a lot better. All right, so there you guys have it. I'll have these linked down below for you guys if you're interested in buying them. Like I said, it was like $380. They shipped out of Georgia, got here in 2 days. Let me know what you think. If you like the LCI or the pre-LCI. I got a lot of comments from you guys saying, go with the LCI, go with the LCI, but then I also got a few comments from people who are like, I'm so glad that you didn't go with the LCI, so I'm curious to see what you guys think about these. I do really think you have to see them in person though, because the colors just look totally off on camera. It's also the second day that the 1M clone is in the body shop, and they already started working on it, and I'm so excited. I'll throw a couple of photos right here. I have a feeling that the 1M clone is actually gonna be done before the 3 weeks, so I'm really looking forward to it. We're getting so close. But as always, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one. Peace.